and you simply live off that money, you won't pay taxes on it because it's borrowed money.
This is what the poor and the middle class just don't understand. The rich do not work for money. The rich do not work for income and then pay tax on their income. The rich build up assets and then they borrow against the value of those assets. And because they are borrowing, because they're using a form of debt, it's completely income tax free. It's the power of using other people's money. Like Robert Kiyosaki says, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the key, the difference between the poor and the middle class versus the rich is that the rich understand two things that the poor or the middle class are ignorant of. And those two things are debt and taxes. And a key component to this entire strategy is cash value life insurance. The reason that the rich use these policies as a tax shelter is because they can sock away tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars into these policies and grow this money completely off the radar screen of the IRS for income tax purposes. They have access to this money tax-free by borrowing against the equity. So the rich know how to use leverage because their money is working for them in two places at once. It's still growing and compounding in their policy, completely tax-free, but they also have access to that cash and they've deployed it elsewhere, whether it's expanding their business, acquiring their next piece of rental real estate, etc. And then later on in their lives, they can use that tax-free buildup to supplement a tax-free retirement income. And then when they die, that remaining balance pays off all of the loan against the policy, and then it transfers tax-free to their family as well. And that's why these policies and this strategy is a key component to the Rockefeller method, which is creating generational wealth. So if you found these strategies helpful, follow this channel, share this content out there, and click the link above to learn more about this strategy and these concepts.